Now if you need me, call me. No matter where you are, no matter how far. Don't worry, baby. Just call out my name. I'll be there in a hurry. You don't have to worry. But baby, there ain't no mountain high enough. Ain't no valley low enough. Too low. Ain't no river wide enough to keep me from getting to you, babe.
It's day 1 in Reykjavik, and we decided to kick things off with something I've never done before. Whale watching right off the coast. We were on the boat for about an hour, and honestly, nothing yet. Just vibes and cold air. But then, suddenly...
This is a pair of humpback whales. Left side of the boat, so there. What's going down is the fluke. Nice.
That was an absolutely amazing experience. I think we saw like 3 different species, 1 dolphin and like 2 different kinds of whales. We were absolutely hungry after that 4-hour boat ride and found this really cute Indian restaurant. After having that really mid-Indian food and paying like $100 for it, we both were super tired, so quickly made back to our Airbnb and just dozed off for the night. So it's 6:30 in the morning. Nice view from the backyard. I need to go pick up a friend from the airport. I am so excited to see him.
अरे तो अपने यहाँ कुछ है नहीं ऐसा apparently सनी कह रहा है. अरे आप रोड पे फोकस करिए, फालतूगिरी कर रहे हैं आप.
We are at Thingvellir National Park. I really hope that's how you pronounce it. Some of my friends are going snorkeling between the Eurasian and the North American tectonic plate. I don't know how to swim, so I'm just gonna be there, take some videos, and yeah, I'm just gonna walk around and see the tectonic plates, and there's a few waterfalls. I'll show everything to you guys. Alright, I think I'm gonna try and climb this thing right here. Maybe we can get a better view at the tectonic plate from up there. Okay, just finished with our 1-hour drive, and we are at a geothermal area. So look at that, look at all the smoke coming out. We're just gonna go closer and see what it's like. Guys, we're all enjoying the moment here. We just have different ways of enjoying it. Any comments? Right, next stop on the tour is Gullfoss Waterfalls. Alright, last stop of the night. Some crater. I don't know the name of.
volcano.
I don't know. He thinks it was made by a meteorite, but I'm pretty sure it's a volcano crater.
Most definitely don't.
Yeah, he also thinks that that's lava.
Good morning, guys. This is my second full day in Iceland, and we have a bunch of fun activities planned for today. Excuse my voice, I'm a little sick from all the rain yesterday. So yeah, today we have I'll try my best to pronounce this, Selija Landsfoss waterfall, which is like a 2-hour drive from the capital. And then we have some hot springs, and maybe we'll go and explore the black sand beach. Yeah, feeling pretty excited for the day. See you guys later. Do. Okay, write this down. I mean, I don't know the name of these falls, but I'll figure it out and I'll put it in the description. So yeah, add this to your list. Oh my god, look at what we found.
वो आ गया साला दूर जा रहा है अभी वो.
Alright guys, we just drove to these hot springs. It was like a 20 to 25 minute drive from the waterfall. We did stop in between to see the horses, but now we just like parked our car here. I put my swimming pants under my pants, and then it's about like a 15-minute walk to get to the hot springs. Yeah, let's see what it's like. Crazy. Don't wear sandals to the hike thinking you can just leave your shoes in the car. Wrong choice for sure.
You're doing pretty good.
We might have made it. Guys, look at the steam coming out of these pipes. We're almost there. Yeah, it's a little underwhelming, so we're probably not gonna go inside, but yeah, we'll get to it. Any thoughts?
But I think I've mistaken this for I thought like there was this one video where you like kind of hike down and there's like a wooden floorboard, and that's the one I'm talking about. That's what I thought this was. I think that might have been secret.
Do it then.
That was his best attempt at apologizing. So yeah, he's the planner. So yeah, sorry I couldn't get the best lagoon for the video.
Straight from ChatGPT.
Overall thoughts, I would say do visit this place because this is absolutely stunning. But don't have like super high expectations from the pool. There is a good hike though. Just make sure you wear the right shoes. Alright guys, next stop on this trip is Skogafoss Falls, and here we are. Look at this. We're at the Black Sand Beach. A lot of scenes from Game of Thrones were shot over here. This is amazing. Just look at this. We're at the Sky Lagoon today, and yeah, really excited for this. I've never done anything like this before. So quick summary, there's going to be like a 7-step spa ritual in there. Yeah, we'll see what the steps are in there.
Do it, go down. Head. Do it. Nice.
The sauna was really relaxing, and now we're gonna move on to the next step. Let's see what it is. I'm sweating. Hello.
This is a body scrub. Take one of these, apply it on your body, not on your face.
Okay.
Leave it on your body. Go to the steam room. After the steam room, you go to take a shower and go to the next. Enjoy.
Thank you. Hi.
This is the last step. It's a probiotic mixed with lemon juice and herbal tea.
Okay. Thank you. No, delicious. Really relaxing. I super duper recommend it. And yeah, the course lunch, look at it. So popular. Yeah, that was our 3 to 4 day trip in Iceland. Overall a very fun and relaxing trip. I will post some highlights at the end and maybe post another video about our itinerary. So yeah, stay tuned for the next one. A new one's coming up very soon. So yeah, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. See ya.